Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are at the Ceramic Pro. As you can see behind, I'm at the Ceramic Pro Vasai outlet. So I have come here to do a Ceramic Pro coating on my helmet. This might be sounding little weird, but yeah, just wanted to retain the helmet, and it is just a restoration of the helmet. I'm back with a new video. You all must be wondering that I am going to do a Ceramic Pro coating on a helmet. It is usually done on cars and bikes. So this is my 3 years old helmet जिस पे both scratches and scuffs आ गए हैं. Before getting into the video, just want to explain the two types of scratches. Random isolated defects and scratches, and the second is spiderweb scratches. As you can see in the diagram, the two types of scratches. So let's understand it in a better way. Step 1. Detailed cleaning of accumulated dirt for smooth application of polishing compound. Step 2. Application of polishing compound, which results in removing the minor scratches and paint correction. What is Ceramic Pro? Ceramic Pro is a brand of ceramic coating products introduced to the market by Nanoshine Company, a company specializing in nanotechnology based coatings. The concept of ceramic coating originated from aerospace industry, where ceramic coatings were used to protect aircraft surfaces from extreme temperature and harsh environmental conditions. Nanoshine recognized the potential of this technology in automobile industry, and they developed ceramic coating specifically for vehicle paint protection. Ceramic Pro 9H is a permanent nano-ceramic protective glass coating for the paint surface of cars and bikes. Once applied and cured, it forms a durable and transparent protective layer that forms as a shield on the paint surface to protect it from external elements like UV rays, dirt, water, chemicals, and scratches. There are 7 benefits what the Ceramic Pro 9H offers. First, scratch resistant. Ceramic Pro 9H creates a hard transparent layer on the vehicle surface which helps to protect it from minor scratches, fuel marks caused by washing and general wear and tear. Second is chemical resistant. This coating is resistant to chemical contaminants including birds dropping, tree saps, and road salt which can cause damage to unprotected paint. UV protection. This coating also protects your vehicle against harmful ultraviolet UV rays, preventing paint oxidation and fading caused by sun exposure. The fourth benefit is hydrophobic effect. Due to its hydrophobic properties, the coating repels water and other liquid, making it easier to clean. Fifth is high gloss finish. After applying Ceramic Pro 9H, the vehicle paint achieves a deep glossy appearance. Sixth is oxidation and corrosion resistance. Ceramic Pro protects the paint and metal in getting in contact to water and oxygen, thereby making it oxidation and corrosion resistance. Ceramic Pro offers temperature resistance up to 750 degrees Celsius. Soft phase infrared paint curing system. This infrared paint curing system has infrared lamps that produces electromagnetic waves and heat, which helps the coating to dry and crystallize the ceramic coating into glass, making it more durable and resistant. Ceramic Pro Top Coat. This coating acts as a protection to the Ceramic Pro 9H applied on the helmet. This additional layer of top coat gives hydrophobic effect and gives the helmet a final gloss finish and shine. For more information, you can visit the ceramic outlet. I've mentioned all the details in my description box below. If you find this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So bye guys, see you all in the next video.